Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Soultron. Synth Sounds Sonic Pie. Oh my.
Get ready to dust off those records because it's time for Soul Tron, the hippest trip on the grid. I'm your host, Tron Cornelius, and we got some great additions to the Soul Tron line. So let the games begin. This season is jam-packed with great artists like the Jackson 5, Kanye West, and Alicia Keys. So get on your light cycle and join the Soul Tribe.
Okay. So Soul Train was a TV show back in the 70s, and the host was Don Cornelius. So Soul Train was a live TV dance and music show in Chicago in 1970. It was one of the first TV shows to feature African Americans prominently, and it aired from 1971 to 2006. Who am I? My name is Herve Aniglo. I was born in Togo. Togo's a country in West Africa, next to Ghana. My first name, Herve, is really pronounced Herve. It's French for army warrior. My middle name, Viho, means chief. My last name, Aniglo, is Gembe. That's the tribal language we speak in Togo. Is Gembe for somebody who is tired of waiting or somebody who cannot stand still. So altogether, I'm an army warrior chief who cannot stand still. Yeah. So I'm a maestro of melomania. A melomaniac is somebody who loves music. I'm a member of the National Society of Black Engineers, Blacks in Technology. That's my QR code that leads to my LinkedIn profile. Please feel free to connect with me. And yeah, I'm a software developer, teacher, mentor, musical coder, technologist, all that good stuff. So prepare to be in for a treat. The reason why I call it Soultron is because I'm going to combine soul music and techno music or electronic music. So I'm going to give you a brief history of Sonic Pi. I'm going to demonstrate coding music, beats, rhythms, sounds, and songs. I'm going to perform my own renditions of popular songs, give you some history lessons, and perform a rap. So what is Sonic Pi? It is a live coding environment based on Ruby created by Sam Aaron. The purpose of it is to teach introductory programming skills. Anybody can use it. Musicians, software developers, non-coders, kids, teenagers, adults. And it uses the concept of algorithmic composition, and you can use it to teach computer science to anybody. That's the website for Sonic Pi. It is open source, which means it's free to download, and you'll join a community of other Sonic Pi users, and it's available to download on MacBook, Linux, and Windows. So I learned this through experience. I learned Sonic Pi through experience during the COVID lockdown. I spent most of the time by myself. There was a pandemic. I became a better programmer. I learned musical facts, and I learned how to improve my musical coding skills. That's the Sonic Pi interface. And Sonic Pi utilizes MIDI notes, which is musical instrument digital interfaces, which communicates through computers, electronic devices, and technologies. The numbers you use are MIDI notes from the value of 0 to 127. You can manipulate the pitch that way. And this is a list. So we're going to utilize beats per minute, repetition or iteration, drum beat, and put some bass up in it. And we're going to include some loops. So this is the Sonic Pi interface. So instead of live coding, I'm just going to copy and paste some of the code. Okay, and let's press play. Y'all heard that, right? Okay. So sleep is the break between the beats. So Sonic Pi utilizes live coding. You can change or add your code in real time. Okay. So that was my first demonstration. I was inspired to do that by Common, one of the songs from Common called I Used to Know Her. Common is a very popular rapper from Chicago.
Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. A 1, 2, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop until the beat comes. Says the beat is short shot. Come on, I met this girl when I was 10 years old, and what I love.
So that was the inspiration for the first demonstration I showed you all. So let's put some effects. So effects are powerful tools to add really unique sounds to your composition. So that's reverberation. So what inspired me to do that was this song by Kanye West, another very popular rapper, musician, and producer from Chicago.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good pyramid noise. Why are you so paranoid? No. Don't be so paranoid. No. Don't be so, baby. Don't worry about it.
Okay. So variables in programming, variables are like, think of it as like a box where you can store things and take things out. So we're going to use the variable R that gets a certain value each time the loop is played, and that value is being used as the release option for play and as the sleep length. So using a variable is as simple as using variable name equals variable value. inspired me to create that track was by the Chai Lights. The Chai Lights is a soul and R&B band, also from Chicago.
One month ago today, no, I can't hide from a memory. I see her face everywhere I go, on the street and even at the picture show. Have you seen her? Tell me, have you seen her?
Okay. Also, with Sonic Pi, you can actually export your track. You can go to the record button, and it's on. Run it, stop it, and unrecord it, and you can save it. Yeah, and you can export it to SoundCloud or any other streaming service that you prefer, and it'll be converted to a WAV file, which is an audio file. So more demonstrations. So I'm going to do a demonstration of the James Bond theme, 007. But first, has anybody ever heard of Soft Cell? Yeah. So it's a very popular 80s British pop band, synth pop band, and they were heavily inspired by Black American musicians. This is one of their songs, Tainted Love. Okay, that's a cover. That's not the original version. This is the original version. The original version was by Gloria Jones, a Black woman from Ohio.
Sometimes I feel I've got to run away. I've got to get away from the pain you drive into the heart of me. The love we share seems to go nowhere, and our love's not right. For I toss and turn, I can't sleep at night.
Yes. So yes, that's the original version. So Soft Cell, yeah, big fans of Black music. Another example is this. This is the Four Tops. They are a R&B and soul band from Detroit. The last surviving member, Abdul Kareem Duke Fakir, he passed away recently, earlier this year. Well, some months ago. This is one of their famous songs, Sugar Pie Honey Bunch. Okay, so Soft Cell, they sampled that song and put a dark gothic twist to it.
Favorite persuasions of the people in the headlines. I'm in the underwear and I'm ready on the beat. You've got photographs to prove it, and I swear to God it's not me. You've got.
Okay, so the Four Top song, Sugar Pie Honey Bunch, is about calling Okay, it's a man and a woman. The man is calling the woman a pet name, Sugar Pie Honey Bunch, I love you. So calling somebody that you love, declaring your love for them. This song, Secret Life, this song is about a gay man who's in a relationship with a woman. He has a wife, and he had an affair with another gay man. That gay man is threatening to expose his life to his friends and family, thus ruining the marriage. Yes, and this song came out in 1981, which was very boundary pushing at the time. Yeah, so yeah. But moving forward, this is their rendition of the 007 theme song. And this is my rendition. Okay. So let's do some live DJ. This is a song by The Weeknd, Blinding Lights. And also this song is about, like, imagine trying to rush to somebody, get to somebody, no matter what's the situation. And as you're driving, all the lights, the street lights are blinding you. So that's the meaning behind the song. There's no deeper secret meaning behind it. That's just the meaning of the song.
I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me.
Okay. So I was able to change the beat in real time. Okay, Amen Break is one of the most widely used sample in the world. Is used in hip hop beats. Unfortunately, the person who created this, he passed away, and he died homeless and penniless. Even though the beat that he created, everybody uses it. So this is the song. Yeah, that's the beat. So Futurama uses it. Okay. So Futurama samples 3 songs. Rapper's Delight by Sugar Hill Gang. Yeah. Yeah. The Amen Break. Okay. This is a song by Kanye West featuring Young Jeezy called Amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah. Okay, house music. Music was created in Chicago. It was created by a gay black man named Frankie Knuckles, the godfather of house music. And it's called house music because it was created in the Warehouse, a West Loop building in Chicago that's still standing to this day, and it's now a historical landmark. Yes. And Frankie Knuckles has a street in Chicago named in his honor. And he created a haven for city's Black, Latinx, and LGBTQ plus communities who are looking to dance freely. He combined disco, techno, R&B, and gospel music. Okay, that's my rendition of a house song, and okay. So now I'm going to perform some rap songs. I'm a member of the National Society of Black Engineers. I was inspired to do this rap by LL Cool J, Jay-Z, and Kanye West. Yeah. NSB, as what it stands for, has done a lot for me. I'm glad I'm part of the organization. I see you rocking this beat down south in Region 3, cause you know how they be. I see you rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat. I'm a black engineer. I see you rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat. I'm a black engineer. Whose house? Powerhouse, no doubt. Representing Region 3 with our big loud shout. I'm so powerful. I'm a professional. Getting older every year, but I'm still very humble. The achievement goes by a mile. I always hold a smile, flowing like a long river. I'm not in denial, and I'm not afraid to be myself, dude. If you got a problem with that, then that's on you. Cooking up something. I'm a programmer who's always developing. I'm a new person on the block that's up and coming. Just wait till you see my new bomb thing. Haters like, man, why are you so nerdy, bruh? Cause that's who I am, duh. Don't worry about me, cause can't you see, put the energy on you. I see rockin' this beat, rockin' this beat. What, rockin' this beat, rockin' this beat. What, rockin' this beat, rockin' this beat. What, rockin' this beat. I'm a black engineer. I see you rockin' this beat, rockin' this beat. What, rockin' this beat, rockin' this beat. What, rockin' this beat, rockin' this beat. What, rockin' this beat. I'm a black engineer. That black engineer who's in front of me, he had no idea how much he inspired me. Today's the day I'm giving back to my community. I'm living life to the fullest. I'm just being the realist. Just like Muhammad Ali, I want to be the greatest. Above my head, my light is the brightest. In regards to tech, I always show great interest. It's not easy, but don't ever give up from the start to Z. I met an engineer here last year, and that motivated me to have no fear. Yeah, I know the time is near, but chill, man, with faith, there is no fear. Yeah, I got my ducks in a row. When the light turned green, it's my turn to go. I see you rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat. I'm a black engineer. I see you rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat, rocking this beat. What, rocking this beat. I'm a black engineer. You ain't gotta be like me, just be yourself. You ain't gotta be like him, that's not good for your health. What you mean? You should make your own wealth. Read all them books you got on that shelf. Believe in yourself. You are such a cool kid. All you have to do is open your eyelids. Don't worry, you're gonna cross that bridge just like the black engineers before you did. You're an innovator who is going round the twist. I'm pretty sure by now you get the gist. Don't be antagonist. One day you will make the list. Go ahead, you will go far in life. Sometimes it's just the roll of the lucky dice. There's nothing wrong with being nice. Once you get older, you will be wise. So you rockin' this beat, rockin' this beat. What, rockin' this beat, rockin' this beat. What, rockin' this beat, rockin' this beat. What, rockin' this beat. I'm a black engineer. I see you rockin' this beat, rockin' this beat. What, 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 rockin' this beat. I'm a black engineer. Okay. So just one more performance. This is the first African American TV show with a strong and positive father figure, Good Times. The father figure, John Amos, unfortunately he passed away in August. Yes. And I want to do a tribute dedicated to him from the perspective of his TV daughter, Thelma Evans, played by Bernadette Stannis. This is a tribute to Miss Dynamite. That's what she's also known as. Her brother, JJ, is known as Kid Dynamite due to his catchphrase. She was the first representation of a black female teenager on TV. So I'm going to combine this song by the Four Tops called Bernadette. And this song by Loose Ends. Yeah, by Loose Ends, Hanging on a String. Okay, combination of both, okay. Yo, she's that same little girl that grew up next door to you. Went through all the little things that a teenage girl goes through. Hanging out all night when there's nothing to do. When her daddy passed away, gave her mama the blues. Used to spend her time daydreaming every day. So she was grown, met her husband. She said, what the hey? Had to get her act together. I give you all the deets. Her life story's not exactly neat. She's Miss Dynamite. She's the queen of Chicago. You gotta hear her, yo. She's just Miss Dynamite. You hear her talking loud in Chicago. You understand, watch for her though. She's Miss Dynamite. See her dancing in the ghetto. She came to steal the show. She's Dynamite. She just wants to reach her goal. Let her vibe touch her soul. She remembers that good rent party that took place. Her neighbor kept her place, and we were saving grace. And Wilona and her brothers, they sit up all night. Listen to her mom and dad vibe to the morning light. Remember when we first started, she was so innocent. She just wanted to thrive. She never been so content. But the more that she grew, she never dimmed her light. Her daddy did taught her right and be Miss Dynamite. She's the teen queen of Chicago. You gotta hear her, she's just Miss Dynamite. You hear her talking loud in Chicago. Watch for her though, she's Miss Dynamite. See her dancing in the ghetto. She just can't steal the show, she's Miss Dynamite. She just wants to reach her goal. Let her vibe touch her soul. My daddy always allowed me to be. Always allowed me to be. My daddy always allowed me to be. After her dad died, she fell in love with this guy. Remember, he caught her eye. She thought she just died. He's always playing around like a bro JJ the fool. He fell beat that one time. He went and lost his cool. They managed to make up. Afterwards, they had brunch. Macaroni, mashed potatoes, turkey, and fruit punch. Never had much. Her mom, brothers, Wilona and she. But love was enough to succeed. To be Miss Dynamite. She's a teen queen of Chicago. You gotta hear her, yo. She's Miss Dynamite. You hear her talking loud in Chicago. Watch for her though, she's Miss Dynamite. See her dancing in the ghetto. She came to steal the show, she's Miss Dynamite. She just wants to reach her goal. Let her vibe touch your soul. May John Amos, James Evans, may he rest in peace. He was a father figure to everyone. My daddy always allowed me to be. He always allowed me. Yes, he was such a cool cat. My daddy always allowed me to be. He always allowed me to be. He always allowed me to be. Okay, so I will be around the conference, so please ask me any questions. Once again, I'm an Army Warrior Chief who cannot stand still. My name is Herve Aniglo. Thank you. And you can bet your last money I didn't pull nothing funny, honey. I'm Herve Aniglo, and as always in parting, we wish you love, peace, and soul.